along the way, and you know we're probably just gonna give it away. That kid would be too ugly for us to raise. It's time to suck and prod our little problem away. Kids are why abortions were made. Doctors wanna kill kids and get paid. Shouldn't have to talk you into this. As a mother, you would be the biggest bitch. It's your body and you'll do what I want with it. If you carry it full term, you'll be the only one raising it. Cutting it out won't be so hard, at least then there's no chance of raising a retard. Kids are why abortions were made. Doctors wanna kill kids and get paid. Shouldn't have to talk you into this. Once again, I think we could both admit, as a mother, you would be the biggest bitch.